But first, you might be asking yourself, are there any differences between science and engineering? And so there is a lot of similarity between science and engineering, but the main difference is going to be that in science, we try to explain everything, how everything works. And basically, it's the study of phenomena at the level of the universe, but also at the level of the planet, of the humans, of the DNA, of the atoms that make up the DNA, or the smallest particles that make up the atoms. It's a study of everything. Let's have a look at the famous scientist. This is Albert Einstein. What he was trying to allow us to do was to understand the way the universe works. Okay, so what is engineering then? Engineering is about solving problems or fulfilling human needs. So an engineer, for example, can solve the problem, how do I get from Sinjuan Station to the office? They could design a nice pair of shoes, or make a bicycle, or maybe make a car, or even a train or a plane. There are multiple solutions to this problem. But as you can see, we're just solving the problem or fulfilling someone's need. Here is Thomas Edison, and he was somewhat a scientist, but he was more of an inventor. He was more of an engineer, and that's because he was fulfilling human needs. He started by defining problems that we had. What was a simple problem at his time? Well, if it was dark out, you couldn't do work inside. And he invented the light bulb. Okay, so now we know about the differences between science and engineering, and it's time to go through the details of the teaching practices that we use in our classroom.